In this video, I'll show you how to use the adaptive logo feature in Gamma AI to keep your branding consistent across different themes. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening my project, the 3 Pillars of 2026 AI, from the dashboard. Once the document loads and the interface is ready, I'll navigate to the top menu and click on the Theme button. This opens the styling panel on the right side of the screen. I'll find the custom theme I'm currently using and click the Edit icon to pull up the full customization menu. From here, I'll head over to the left-hand sidebar and select the logo category. You can see my primary logo is already set, but right below it is the adaptive logo section. By hovering over the information icon for the inverted logo option, you can see that this feature is designed to help your logo look perfect on both light and dark backgrounds. Since this is an advanced branding tool, clicking Upgrade to Pro brings up the subscription options where you can see that the Pro and Ultra plans offer these specialized features. To see this in action, let's look at the official feature update. The adaptive logo allows me to upload specific light and dark versions of my brand assets. Once uploaded, Gamma intelligently and automatically adjusts which logo to display based on the background color of each individual card. This ensures my branding remains professional and legible regardless of the theme colors I choose. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using the adaptive logo feature in Gamma AI.